Okay, here we go installing the tube sheet with tubes in the new system. Drop right in. There we go. We're going to put the cams on. This is the canister we just finished that we're putting in service. Great. Okay, now we're actually removing the tube sheet with the tubes in it. That's all there is to it. It's an easy, clean tube sheet assembly.